So clenching and grinding is definitely one of the most common dental problems that we see. It could be happening at night when you're not necessarily aware of it. It can be brought out by stress and other factors in your life. It's not just something that can cause wear on the teeth. It can also cause headaches, jaw pain, popping and clicking of the jaw. It can make it more difficult to sleep. It can just cause issues of gum recession as well, and breaking of restorations and teeth. So just treating that from the standpoint of making functional appliances that we can help not only ease the muscles and help relax your jaw joint, but we can also just prevent the teeth from wearing each other down and just help you live a more comfortable life and prevent bigger problems down the line that would need a lot more than just an appliance that can help you with that.